morning. Happy Saturday. Here I am with all of my kids. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
These are Saturday mornings for us. So last week I showed you guys how we did French toast, how we do our French toast. And this week, or today, I'm gonna show you guys how we do
Pancakes.
Why are you so happy? What's your deal?
Pancakes.
Okay.
Not cake.
Pancakes. We're gonna show you guys how we do our pancakes because we do our pancakes from scratch.
Cake.
All right. I just think it's yes.
Not cake.
The pancakes.
Not cake.
Okay, yeah. So we like to do our pancakes from scratch, and this is a recipe that I got from Martha Stewart. I want to say like 5 years ago. So I've been doing these, yeah, for like 5 years, and I know the recipe off the top of my head. Like I can tell you right now. So I don't need a recipe book or recipe card. I already have it in my head. It's right in here. And so yeah, so I just think it's healthier. You know what to put on it. You can even make it like vegan. You can make it dairy free. You can make it gluten free. Just substitute, you know, a few of the products. So if you know what you're putting into your pancake, then you know what to leave out and what to swap for those things if you want to tweak it to any health concern that you have. Okay. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Woohoo! All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with our dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of flour, okay? So again, if you wanna go gluten-free, just do 1 cup of gluten-free flour, okay? So this is all-purpose flour, okay? Here we go. All right, next thing, we're gonna do baking powder. And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Lucia, can you do another one, please? All right, so we already put our 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's gonna help our pancakes be nice and fluffy. Next, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again, we do raw sugar. So 1, 2. And lastly, we're going to add half a teaspoon. That's a little too much. Here we go. Half a teaspoon of salt. All right, so now we're going to mix them up. Lupi, you want to mix it up?
Yeah.
Suavecito, papi. Here we go. Good job.
How about 3?
All right, so these are our dry ingredients. Now we're going to do our wet ingredients. Good job, Luki. So next we're going to do 2 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter right over here.
Oh, Mommy. Okay.
Keep going. All right, Nathan, can you crack 1 egg, please? We're gonna put 1 egg in there. Good job. Throw it out. Okay, papi, suavecito, suavecito. Kill that egg. Do it, do it. So next we're gonna do 1 cup of milk. We are gonna use coconut milk, but you can do whatever milk you want. I'm gonna pour it in here, and Nathan's gonna pour it over the batter. There we go. Lupi's gonna mix it. Good job.
But
Sí, mira.
Mommy.
Suavecito. All right, and that's it. Just those ingredients, which I'm pretty sure you already have in your house. And that's it. I mean, we might add maybe some chocolate chips at the end, or as we're pouring it in the skillet. Yes. Luki's the one who's doing this video, not me. So yeah, super easy, and again, healthy because you know what you're putting in there. Just saying. Now we got our skillet over here. You can see it's already heating up. Put some non-stick spray, and Luki's making sure that our batter is being stirred properly. Nathan, what's going on with your glasses? Nathan's wearing my computer glasses. Why are you wearing my computer glasses? Mucho, sí. All right, I'm not quite sure how many of these, how many pancakes this mix makes. It's when we do for our entire family, we do this times 2. All right, because my kids are growing, they're eating a lot more. When they were younger, I used to just do 1 batch and that was enough. But I'm gonna do like medium-sized pancakes, or what I call medium-sized pancakes. I'll show you how many I can make with this amount of batter, okay? So these are the size pancakes that we make. Like, look at the size of my hand. Oh, I'm gonna burn my hand. Like maybe the size of my palm, okay? And we're gonna see how many pancakes does this make, or this batter make. Look, he just put his hand in there. Hot?
Yeah. Oh.
Hot? Ja, Lucky, ja. And my flipper is gonna be Nathan over here. All right, go ahead and flip it, Nathan. All right, Nathan, good job. So here we go. These are how the first ones always come out. So let's see. All right, here we go. So what I do is that I use this scoop, and we're gonna pour it in here. Oops. I think you can fit like 4, but I only do 3, so it's easier for Nathan to flip. All right. Now Lucia's flipping them. Wow, good job, Lucia. So far we've made, this is a 3rd batch, so we're doing 9. And we still have some left over. Okay, now put it on the plate. Careful, Lucia, careful, nicely. Oh, that was a little too big. This is what Luki did for me. Let me see, Luki. Ooh, qué lindo. Good job. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Guys, this is our counters. Like, this is Luki's place. All right, Lucy, flip them.
No.
Lucy, flip them. Alright guys, so we are done with our pancakes. We made a total of 17 pancakes, okay? And I'll show you the sizing now. Here they are. So this is like, my hands are clean, the size of my palm. And I made 17, okay? So hopefully it'll be enough for all my hungry kids to fill their bellies. Let's see if they like them. Alright guys, so that is about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will put all of the measurements in the description box for these pancakes from scratch. And now I need to get off the phone because we want to eat, right? How did you eat yours, Nathan? With
Nutella.
Nutella, wow. Healthy breakfast. Nutella, guys.
Nutella.
Nutella. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. This is great.
Alright, guys. See you later.
Bye. It's good.
Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.